Hello! In this video, I will show you some steps you can take to make your Word documents more accessible. Before uploading any Word document to your course or sending one out via email, you should take some steps to make sure that the Word document is readable by screen readers, such as Ally, which you have access, as your students do, through Brightspace. The focus of this video will be the best practices for adding links to your Word document. We can see here in this example syllabus, I already have a few links set up. This first one we see here is a bad example of a link added to the document. This is just the URL copied directly from our browser, pasted within the document. And while this link will lead directly into, this case, our homepage for this Brightspace course, any student using a screen reader, when it comes to this link, will read out the text exactly as you see it here. So https:// etc. We want to make sure that the actual text of the link is somewhat descriptive of where it leads. So just below here, we can see a better example of a link. The office hours are Wednesday, 1 to 2 p.m., or by appointment. The text of the link here is by appointment, indicating of where the link actually leads to a appointment booking page. So say you already have a link within your document that already looks like this. The way you change this text to be more descriptive of where it leads is you right-click on the link. From that menu, you find the hyperlink option, and you click Edit Hyperlink. This will bring up a menu here where you'll see the address. This is where the link is leading to. We want to keep this the same. But above, we'll see Text to Display. This is what we want to change to be more descriptive. So this can be English 505 is the fake course I have here, Brightspace homepage. And with that text to display, more descriptive of where this link is leading to, we can click OK, and we can see here it has updated that text, but has preserved the link. You can also do this by writing out the text first and then later adding the link. So here, under Support Resources, I want to link to the Rockowitz Writing Center. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the text. I'm going to right-click the text, find the same hyperlink option, and then I'm going to leave the text to display the same because that is the descriptive text we want. And then in here, I'm going to paste the address to the Rockowitz Writing Center and click OK. We can see here I've added a link to the center with the descriptive text.